Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing us five niches that you can actually dive into on Fiverr and you'll be making at least $100 on a daily, or even not, if not even more. Okay, I've been on Fiverr for over 3 years, and I can tell you I have made mistakes and I've tried again. My accounts have been blocked. I opened, and I keep trying. I just try never to give up and all. Okay, so I'm gonna, without spending so much time on things, I'm just going to show you the steps I took, the niches I dive into, and the niches that got me my first $120 checkout. So, guy, it wasn't easy. It was just funny at first. When I started, I was thinking I just have to open a niche, dive into it, and just start creating my gigs. But after my first 3 months, I discovered that no, everything has a process, and I tried so much to learn from others. Research, I did a lot of research online, and I discovered that okay, there is a better way. So I'm going to be showing those ways today. Five good ways, 5 ways I'm going to be showing today. And if you're new to my channel, I talk so much about anything that's going to bring money for you. I am a money making machine, so I try so much to focus on anything money. And if I share anything on my channel, there are things that I've actually tried out. I'm going to show you my first payout from Fiverr and how I got a $30 well done from my clients. Okay, so guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna be moving into my system now to show you those five niches that you can dive into and make money, good money on Fiverr. Okay, so you can dive into on Fiverr and you make good money. At least if you, let's just say you are not so skilled, you're not so skilled at all on the daily, you should be able to make about $100 on the daily. But if you are really skilled, as in you are very good with what you do, you get a lot of money working on Fiverr. Okay, so how I approach my Fiverr search is this. Trust me, there are a lot of ways, or there are a lot of process that you can use to mm, look through your Fiverr app or application. Also, now this is the web version. So I'm just going to be checking. I'm going to be showing us all you need to know. In fact, Fiverr is a very good platform. There are millions of people selling on Fiverr, and different niches that you can make money, not just make money in dollars. And if you notice that some are in pounds, this is in pounds, this is in pounds, this is in pounds. So it depends on your geographical location and what you specify while you are opening your account. Okay, so then without wasting more time, let me just dive right into it. Okay, so we're going to be starting with video editing. So just the simple way you come here is type your words there, and once you type your words there, then you click on the search icon. So when you click on it, you notice that about 46,749 services available. So there are about, imagine the number of people offering services on this. So one of my favorite video editor that I always look at, or what I look up to each time I am looking for a tip or looking for something to make reference to when it comes to video editing, is Glismos. So this guy is really a top rated seller on Fiverr, and this guy has been selling for, imagine, he has over 1k reviews. Imagine all his gigs. See, look at this. I will do amazing video editing. So this guy, just with amazing video editing, imagine the guy has sold over 1,000 plus. So you cannot imagine the other gigs that he has and all. Some other in other media and all like that. See, the guy has sold over 5,643. He has over, imagine, this is mind blowing. So there's money in this thing. And guys, this is one of the best things that you can actually even put your mind into. See his reviews, very very mad as reviews. So this is just it, you guys. So if you put yourself to doing this, if you have this skill, you can just dive into it and start doing a lot of things. So another part of, well, another part of Fiverr money making part that I always love to talk about is ebook ebook guys. Guys, can complete this for me. Okay, so let's just go to ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is also very, very, very populated. It's an aspect of writing or a type of writing too. So if you know how to write very well, you can just put in for this create gigs under ghostwriting. Follow the right niches because the right niches to also determines how your stuff ranks well. A good flyer, a very, very good attractive flyer, you can also create that also. So then one thing I want us to take note of is that you would notice that if you would notice that there are not so many people there. So meaning that although there are a lot of services, but not compared to video editing when we were coming from, when there were a lot of people that do video editing. So you can actually key into this and add to your list, or your bucket list of the gigs or of the niches that you might be interested in. And these people are actually getting, oh, see, about 700 and something, 139, 30, 500. Imagine people that have patronized them, and reviews that people have dropped. And imagine that's just a plus. That's a very, very good niche to dive into, ghost writing. So another thing I would like to talk about is logo design, and this is the third one we're talking about today. So if you are good in doing design, logo design is another, it's making it. Imagine 213,793 services available. So this is it. If you are really, if you have this skill, you can just put yourself to it and start making money fast. Start making money fast. So it depends on, you specify your price, you specify. So imagine Jackie. Jackie, a level two, just a level two seller, not even a top rated seller. Imagine, has completed 50 plus. So it's not, you see, it's just showing 50 plus here. Oh. And this guy has over 1,000K people that have dropped. So you can imagine how many people that he has actually done good logos for, and they have actually recommended that, no, 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 this guy is good. Customers that have come, that keep coming back, and customers that don't just mind, and they will love to just, they'll just love to patronize them. So the next one I'll be talking about is SEO, content writing. Okay, so guys, you just say, hey, so you can just check on SEO, content writing. Okay, so my guys, so let's just say, so if you are a content writer, this is a good selling niche for you. You can just put into this, and trust me, you make your money here. So we have about 21,513 services available. So if, imagine this, imagine that you have this low number, and imagine the number of sales that people have made. The only way to know the number of sales that people have made. See, this person has made 97, in which this is just a review. This one inside the bracket is just a review. So if this person has made it, that means there is more. That means people are actually patronizing them. People are buying. People are buying. Like I said, we have millions of people on Fiverr buying every day, looking for people to buy from, looking for professionals to buy from. And look at these guys. They're not even pro. Imagine they're just having level 2 seller. Even you will see a level one seller. They grew into that. This is a level one seller with just three orders, and also this is a very good place to to dive into. So I'll be going to the best, and the best of best of all, best of all is, I'm going to be going, and I'm going to be talking about voice voice over voice over voice over. Okay, so voice over, so either you're a voice over actor or a voice over actress, this needs to has money in it. Money, when I say money, so you can do voiceover for people, and man, you're gonna make your money. Yeah, you're gonna make your money. Okay, so imagine there are about 29,672 services available. So you can key into this, and you can make money as much as you like. Well, this is one person. There's this person I like to talk about, Greg Johnson. This guy, imagine, this guy has over 1K plus review. Imagine, let's just click on his one of his um gig so that we'll see. See, the guy is even verified on Fiverr. He's a pro. He's not just an ordinary your regular guy. Is good. Imagine over 1,400. No, no, no. This is good. This is good. This is good. People are actually saying 5 star, 5 star. People are giving him 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So this guy is really, really good. And also, if you are new to my channel, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just come here and subscribe, and so that I'll be able to make more videos, and you get notified when these videos drop. Okay, so that's all I'll be talking about today on Fiverr. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that turn on your notification bell so each time I drop a video, you get to see my videos. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.